Give your bathroom an elegant touch with the Moen Eva 2-handle Centerset lavatory faucet with drain assembly. Designed with a swan-like faucet, the Eva faucet features a drain assembly and a 3-hole mount with a 4-inch center set design for easy installation. 2 petal-like lever handles give you control of water temperature and flow, while the LifeShine brushed nickel finish resists flaking and corroding for the lifetime of the faucet. Ideal for everyday bathroom use, the faucet provides an aerated stream of up to 1.2 gallons per minute and meets WaterSense criteria for water efficiency without sacrificing water pressure. With flowing curves and backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty, this faucet adds an air of relaxation to any 3-hole sink. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Warm and inviting. Brushed nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Number 2. Temperature control. 2-handle lever handles make it easy to adjust the water. Number 3. Everyday convenience. Aerated flow is ideal for everyday bathroom tasks, like brushing teeth and washing hands. Number 4. ADA compliant. Complies with Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, specifications. Number 5. Flowing design. With flowing curves, the Eva Collection's transitional design is pure and organic. Petal-like handles and swan-like spout bring a relaxed feeling to the bath. Number 6. Aerated stream. Steady aerated water stream is ideal for everyday bathroom tasks, such as brushing teeth and washing hands. Number 7. Variety of finishes. Choose from a variety of finishes including chrome, brushed nickel with LifeShine, and oil-rubbed bronze. Number 8. LifeShine finish option. The LifeShine finish withstands heavy everyday use and rigorous scrubbing, so you can clean it as you wish without worrying that the finish will ever tarnish, corrode, or flake off. LifeShine is available on brushed nickel finish only. Number 9. Your bathroom by Moen. From small, intimate powder rooms to large, luxurious master baths, small changes in your bathroom can make a big difference in refreshing one of the busiest rooms in the house. Focus on the details with Moen products, and you'll be able to customize this space, making it more stylish while reflecting your personal taste. From bathroom sink faucets and tub fillers to bath safety and accessories, Moen has endless products to fit seamlessly into your bath. And with meaningful innovations like easy and fast faucet installation with M-packed or integrated ink stamps on your bath accessories showing you where to drill with press and mark, you'll love how Moen products bring not only endless style opportunities but also in-demand functionality. Number 10. Moen Kitchen Solutions. Prepping for family dinners. Bathing the baby. Watering the plants. It should come as no surprise that you spend more active time in the kitchen than any other room in the house. And from finishes to innovations to installation, there are plenty of reasons why Moen is the right choice for your kitchen. From faucets and sinks to filtration systems and garbage disposals, Moen has endless products to fit seamlessly into your kitchen. And with meaningful innovations like boosted spray power with Power Boost or hands-free convenience with WaterSense, you'll love how Moen products bring not only endless style opportunities but also in-demand functionality. Number 11. Shower innovations by Moen. A shower wakes you up, soothes your senses or relaxes your body, and it starts the minute you step into the water. It is your sanctuary, a private place for you to unwind from your day or re-energize yourself to start anew. Start creating your new personal shower space by choosing Moen fixtures that give you modern styles and innovations. From handheld showers and rain showers to slide bars and body sprays, Moen has endless products to fit seamlessly into your shower. And with meaningful innovations like effortless docking with magnetics or the best rain shower experience possible with immersion technology, you'll love how Moen products bring not only endless style opportunities, but also in-demand functionality. Number 12. Moen Smart Home Technology. At Moen, we put the customer at the center of everything, including our design process. Their needs and insights drive the development of delightful, innovative products and technology that help to make everyday tasks just a little bit easier. With meaningful innovations like water throughout your home monitored and controlled with an app or perfectly warm and steamy showers you can start with your voice, you'll love how Moen products bring not just in-demand functionality, but also the latest in tech trends. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.